We're in Excel 2019. We've got our file and we've got it edited just the way we want it. So now it's time to send this off. So you've got some options. If we go to File and Share, we can either click on the email and we can send it as an attachment, or we can go to Share with People. So as long as you've saved it up to your OneDrive account, you need to log into OneDrive simply by going to your Open and then click on OneDrive and then go ahead and log in. All right, so as long as you've done that, then you can go to Share and you can go to Share with People. Now this brings up this side piece that you see off to the right. So you want to invite some people. So what we can do is we can click on this little box to the right, and I'll bring this over here, and we need to send off to an email address. But you see there's no email addresses there, so we got to click on a new contact. So I'll just go ahead and put in the new contact. There we go. We'll put in an email. There we go. Click Add. Click OK. Click OK once again. And so now we can go ahead and select our new contact. Very good. Now we need to choose whether or not the person can edit it or just view it. Let's say this person can do both viewing and editing, so we'll just choose Edit and say, here are the figures for sales. We'll go ahead and choose this drop-down box below where it says automatically share changes, ask me always never. So if any changes happen to the file, then an email will come back to me if I have ask me on here, and I'll have to approve it first. If the share changes are set to automatic, to always, then it'll just go ahead and share and it won't have to ask me at all. Or we could say never, or we could just say never. The person can make the changes and we don't ever find out that they've made the changes. Now we'll go ahead and click Share. The email will go off to the person and they'll be able to start working on that file on OneDrive. And when we're all done, we can go ahead and close. So that's how we share an Excel file in OneDrive using Excel 2019.